Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Just wanted to give you a little bit more injector information. If you've been following closely, you'll already know that what I explained about these injectors, we only supply brand new, genuine, not any Chinese copies or any remanufactured or any other brands, you know the deal. So what I'm trying to say is, I just want to give you an example. So our stock orders come in, weekly stock order, and I just want to show you. So when the injectors are manufactured, these brown boxes, they're the ones they come in, okay? Now, there's also Chinese copies that look identically the same injectors and boxes, so beware of that. And if you purchase from me, rest assured you're only going to get definitely 100% brand new. It's what I specialise in. But when you're buying Australian Denso stock, and we buy injectors from lots of different suppliers in Australia and overseas, most of the stock you're getting over 90% where possible. We're going to keep it the Australian stock. It's better for warranty, not that we've ever had an issue. But when you do that, you do get some of these blue boxes here, right? So just to compare, I just want to show you something. All right. See the size of the box? I'm going to put one down there, right? See the difference? Okay. See it's right. So you can see there's the original number 046, right? And they, slightly different number. Anyway, don't worry about that. It just gets confusing. What I'm trying to show you is the size of the box. Now, even if your stock comes in, whether it comes in blue, brown, whatever, it's going to be brand new, fresh stock. But in most cases, not always, but in most cases, if I personally deliver stock to you or you pick it up, it's not even going to be in a box, because what I do, I open everything up, I check all the stock, right? I check, make sure there's no damage, make sure there's no wrong part numbers in the box and stuff like that. We've had a few little things. Lucky I check everything, okay? So we make sure the box is right, the part number, what's in there, make sure nothing's broken. And the main concern is if they're repacking, they are repacking these brown ones into these blue boxes here in Victoria, if somebody makes a mistake and puts the wrong one in the box, or if they drop it and they try and cover it up or whatever. So if it's a pickup or a personal delivery, I just take them out of these boxes, check everything, and they'll be just sitting in a small box, whatever I've got with all the injectors, pipes and seals and gaskets, whatever I've got handy, okay? If I'm sending them to you, which is what we do with a lot of injectors, we send out a lot of injectors, you'll notice I reuse these boxes, right? So these boxes, they'll go in the recycling bin. And have you noticed that basically, 2 fits in one of these boxes, right? So we do that so it's nice, compact, tight, well packed. It's a bit more compact for sending it. I just think it's a lot safer. That's what I've worked out anyway. But of course we accumulate a lot of these blue boxes. So in most cases where we've got some, I'm going to be using these blue boxes, even though your injectors came in this box. And even if your injectors came in blue boxes, they all came in this box. So I hope you get the gist of what I'm saying, guys, all right? So just wanted to show you, yep, it's real. This is the color boxes they sort of, usually come in. And this is not all our stock. We've got other injectors too, but bada bing. So when you ask the question, have you got them in stock? Yes, this is the size of the business. We do keep all the injectors in stock, and this is why we just specialize in Prados, because it's just me, and I certainly don't need to be doing other makes and models as well. Imagine how busy they'd keep me, crazy. Bada bing, guys. I hope you just understand. It was just a little video. Mainly, I think it's just going to be a VIP thing at the moment, and just to let you know the situation with what you've received. I don't pack it to make it look good. I pack it so that it gets safe to you. You need to really carefully unpack all these parts kits. If you're using knives and stuff, do it slowly and gently. There's some parts in there that you could rip into, maybe damage something. So take it slow. Thanks for watching. Bada bing. Catch ya.